Good morning. Talking about weird? I'm talking to a camera. My picture is just below, but if I look at my face, I can't see the camera and you can't see my eyes. So therefore, looking into the camera is more like stonewalling it. You remember what they said many hundreds of years ago? Don't turn around. If you turn around, you'll turn into stone. Well, you know what just happened to me just now? Went to the grocer's last night, lost my phone, walking into the house. Before I tell you the end of the story, I'm going to tell you the beginning. I went to the key shop to make a key. The guy says to me, I can't make a key for you because the guy who makes keys, the professional, is not in. Coming home from the grocery store with my car, I get out of my car. Between here and my car, I drop the key for my car, can't find the key for my car, can't call a taxi to go to the key shop to go make a key at the car dealership. And then I look at the address of the car dealership, 265, the White Wolf, 265 Kennedy Avenue. Remember I just talked a couple of days ago about Barack Obama and him being one of the alligators, or the reptilians, and which probably means to shed their skin. But you want to see something funny? The address and exit the Kennedy Boulevard. Here's the White Wolf of Venus, exit number 43. 34 is John F. Kennedy, 43 is JFK, unless they're using this number to be George Bush, but it's JFK and it's Barack Obama. Then the other place for the dealership for Buick and GMC is on La Chapelle. Hap means to miss or something that happens. Appel means to call. Pelle is a shovel. A shovel is a spade. A spade is a pick. And a pick and La Chapelle, a chap, means a splinter. A splinter splitting the pineal gland of how much wood can a woodchuck chuck. How much do we have to break of that wood splinter that's splitting our DNA, or that's not splitting our DNA, but is added into the pineal gland to screw us up? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck? A woodchuck is almost like a beaver. Under and over the water is the same for our head, connecting Kennedy Road. The address, 13, 2, 6, and 5. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is 256. The third one for this is 265. 13, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 5, the 60 seconds on the clock. The 0, okay, becomes a 6, or because it's two numbers, we already used the 6. Now let's use the other side of the 6, which is the 8, bringing 13 into 14, into 15. This becomes, instead of saying two numbers, 2 times 6 times 5, this is 5 times 6 is 30. 30 is creation of 2 months, April and November. There's only three, okay, just let me continue. 2 times 6 is 12 equals 60. The 0 equals 8 makes 68. 6 and 8 is 14, the cross on man's back. Venus world, communication, E and F, because E and F go together and make 5 and 6. D and E goes together, makes 4 and 5. Do you understand what I'm saying? E and F, the sound, carries the E from it. D, E, and F are all together, and they say federation on your keyboard. D, E, and F. D, E, F. 4, 5, and 6 all together. 5, 5, 4, 6. New World Order. 6, 4, 6, 5, 5. New World Order. All together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. All together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 2. 2. 2 above and 2 below the gate. 7th gate, 2 below and 2 above. This T, okay, is the 20th. Plus 6, this one gets the 8. Now we got them all together. Now we have 6, 7, 8, which is all in a row. 6 eyes on the jack, 6 eyes on the king, and, excuse me, 6 eyes on the jack and cards, 7 eyes on the king and cards, 8 eyes on the flowers on the queens. Total 21 eyes. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Now if we're talking about eyes, would it mean only this eye? Or when you turn this dot to the center, this is the eye. Why? Because you have to go from here to here, and the only way to go from here to here The only way to go from here to here is this way. Not only that, they usually put a piece of black here and a piece of black here. Why? Because when you go fishing, there's certain lures and weights that you put on the line that shape the exact same eye. What goes in the center of the eye? It's when you attach the center of the eye, okay, which is the fishing line, so the weight can sink, meaning the tube position is empty until you put something in it to connect the two sides. If you connect the two sides and you get the center. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus is like this. Then you would go up and down and up and down. You'd make the M, and then you'd make the M on the other side. Or would you? Or would you just go around the same way, but you have the eye in the center? We don't touch the one in the center because it's being used by the teardrops. You know what I used to do? I used to take teardrop stuff, put it in here, and push, 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 close this eye and push all the way down. Oh my God. I see a little ball coming up. And the little ball that comes up, I'm starting to see a bright light inside my eye. Every time I push down in here, close my eyes and concentrate, I can see somewhere else. Thank you for watching this video. Raphael 7286. We have 12 days really until the start and the eve of the first day of the new year, and then 277 days from then is the day I'm looking for. Thank you for watching this video.